Now let us discuss the concept that the sum of two sides is greater than the third side in a triangle. That means if we have a triangle ABC, then we have to prove that AB plus AC is greater than BC. That means any two sides will be greater than the third side. That means sum of two sides. To prove AB plus BC is greater than AC, or AB plus AC is greater than BC, or AC plus BC is greater than AB. That means sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. For this we will have some construction, we will perform construction. That means we will extend BA to D such that AD is equal to AC. That means we will extend BA to D such that this side is equal to this side, and we will join DC, and then we will join BC. Now proof. In the proof, in triangle ADC, AD is equal to AC, and we know that if sides are equal then the opposite angles are also equal. So angle ADC will be equal to ACD. Let us mark them as angle 1 and angle 2. So we can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now let us suppose this is angle 3. So we can say that angle 1 is less than angle 2 plus angle 3. Now because 1 and 2 are equal, and if I add something to angle 2, this will be always greater than angle 1, because angle 1 was equal to angle 2 and we are adding something in angle 2. So this angle 2 plus angle 3 will be greater than angle 1. Now in triangle BDC, we can say that angle D is less than angle C, and we know that the angle side opposite to the greater angle is greater. Also side opposite to angle C, that is BD, is greater than BC, because the side opposite to angle D is BC and the side opposite to angle C is BD. So BD is greater than BC. Now we know that BD is equal to AB plus AD is greater than BC, but AD is, or AB plus, because AD is equal to AC, so we can replace it with AC, so it will be greater than BC. So we have proved that the sum of two sides, that AB plus AC is greater than BC. This is how we can prove that the sum of two sides is greater than the third side. So in this way we can prove the other two inequalities also. As we have proved that AB plus AC is greater than BC, we can prove this one also and this one also using the same concept. So we can say that the sum of two sides will be always greater than the third side. So to sum up, what we have done, we have basically extended BA to D such that AD is equal to AC. Now and we have then joined DC. Now in triangle ADC, as AD is equal to AC, so angle 1 is equal to angle 2, because angles opposite equal sides are equal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2, and now when angle 1 is equal to angle 2, if we add something to angle 2, that is we have added angle 3, so it will be greater than angle 1. So we have said that angle 1 is less than angle 2 plus angle 3. Now in triangle BDC, angle C is greater than angle D, or angle D is less than angle C. So the side opposite to the larger angle will be greater, so, and opposite to angle C is the side BD. So we can say that BD is greater than BC. Now BD is equal to AB plus AD. So AB plus AD is greater than BC. Now AD is equal to AC. So we have replaced AD with AC. So we can state that AB plus AC is greater than BC. So this is how we can prove that the sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Now let us apply the concept that sum of two sides is greater than the third side. For this, let us prove that in a triangle ABC, we have a triangle ABC in which AD is the median. That means BC is equal to DC, and we have to prove that AB plus AC is greater than 2 times AD. That means sum of two sides is greater than double the median of that triangle. For this is to prove. Now for construction, in the construction we will extend AD to E such that AD is equal to DE and join EC. That means we will extend AD to E such that this side is equal to this side and we will join EC. Now the proof will follow as. In the proof, let us take triangle ABD and triangle DEC. Now we know that BD is equal to DC. It has been given to us because AD is the median, so it is dividing the side BC into two parts, and AD and BD is equal to DC, and we have AD is equal to DE by construction. Also angle ADB is equal to angle CDE, because this angle is equal to this angle. This is vertically opposite angle, so vertically opposite angle. So triangle BABD is congruent to E. For A we will have E, for B we will have C, and for D we will have D. So triangle ABD is congruent to triangle EDC by SAS criteria. Now we know that as these two triangles are congruent, so AB is equal to EC, CPCT, and AB is equal to, let us only take one concept, that CPCT, AB is equal to EC. Now in triangle ACE, we can say that AC plus CE is greater than AE, because sum of two sides is greater than the third side, and we know that CE is equal to AB, so we can say that AC plus AB is greater than AE. Now AE can be further divided into two parts. AE is equal to AD plus DE, and we know that AD is equal to DE, so we can say that AC plus AB is greater than 2 times AD. So this is how we can prove that the sum of two sides is greater than twice the median of the triangle, because AC plus AB is greater than 2 times AD. To sum up, we had to prove that the sum of two sides is greater than twice the median. So for this we have done some constructions. We have extended AD to E such that AD is equal to DE, and then we joined EC. In triangle ABD and triangle DEC, BD is equal to DC, it has been given to us. AD is equal to DE by construction, and angle ADB is equal to angle CDE, vertically opposite angle. So we can say that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ECD using SAS criteria, angle and the two sides, that is including the angle. That means BD is equal to DC, AD is equal to AE, so and this is equal to this. So SAS criteria fulfills. So we can say that the two triangles are congruent, and from CPCT we can say that AB is equal to EC. Now AB is equal to EC we have proved. Now in triangle ACE, the sum of two sides will be greater than the third side. So AC plus EC will be greater than AE, or EC is equal to AB, so we can say that AC plus AB is greater than AE. Now AE can be divided into two parts, AD plus DE, and we know that AD and DE are equal, so we can say that AB plus AC is greater than 2 times the AD, or 2 times the median of the triangle, that is AD. So hence we have proved that the sum of two sides is greater than twice the median of that triangle.